Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. As we all are heading towards a new year, I thought it will be a nice idea to share with all of you few life lessons that I've learned so far. Don't take anything for granted. We often don't appreciate what we have until it's gone. That includes health, family, friends, job or money. When we are young, it seems that our parents will always be there. We think we have plenty of time to get back in touch with old friends or spend time with new ones. And what I have learned is to appreciate what I have. Often we are young, just beginning our adult journey, we feel as though we have to do everything at once. We need to decide everything, plan out our lives, experience everything, get to the top, find true love and do all at the same time. What I have learned is to slow down and not to rush into things. Let life unfold. Enjoy every bite of food, every sip of water. Take time to look around. Bill Cosby says, "I don't know the secret to success, but the secret to failure is trying to please everyone. Not everyone will agree with you or even will like you. It's human nature to be liked, respected and valued, but not at the expense of integrity and happiness." Respect time, no matter what we do. Being on time is the product of proper planning, personal discipline, and a respect for others' time. Punctuality is a skill that required zero experience. 7 to 8 glasses of water is a must. Keeping ourselves hydrated is very, very important. No ifs and buts. Good books shape our whole personality, the way we think, the way we judge, the way we see. Everything will change by the habit of reading. Every book has its own benefits, and also it's important to read a kind of a book which we are interested in. What I have learned at this age is the more we express our gratitude, the more things we will have to be grateful for. The law of attraction works in all that is good and also in all that is bad. And it's only up to us whether we choose to focus our attention on the negative or on the positive. No one else is responsible for our body, our health, our fitness and our mind. Coming out of the comfort zone and taking care of ourselves physically and mentally is beneficial for both brain and the body. Eating right or healthy is very important. I have always believed the better you take care of yourself on the inside, the better you look on the outside. Letting go of people who hurt us is extremely important. The faster we realize there are some people who hold no place in our life, the better it will be for us. It's better to learn at the earliest that you can't make room for people who cause us pain or make us feel small. Family is important and making time for them is a priority. Rest, everything comes second. I've always believed that a lot of the mistakes I've made along the way were never really mistakes. They were lessons. I never would have learned anything if those things didn't happen. We are responsible for our own happiness, and the faster we realize this, the better it will be for us. It's our job to find happiness in small things we do. It could be snacking in a cozy blanket, meeting people, pampering ourselves, or coloring. I don't know if it's getting older that has made me more aware of who I am, or if I am just settling comfortably into my own skin. But I know more about my personality and what I need and don't need, and how to ask for it. Take the time to get to know you. It's important to understand our privilege. If we have a family that loves us, a few good friends, 3 meals, a roof overhead, and clean clothes to wear, then we are way more blessed. Everyone has a unique personality, perspective, purpose, and path. Appreciate and respect that. And lastly, looking at the positives makes life much, much better. Always noticing glass half full leads to contentment.